I would like you to join me on a virtual tour of the CP Manahan Pavilion, which is the delivery room of the Makati Medical Center. Here we find ourselves in the 5th floor. Directly ahead of us is the ultrasound section. Down the corridor to the left is the entrance to the delivery room. The CP Manahan Pavilion is named after Dr. Constantino Manahan, who is considered the father of modern Philippine obstetrics and gynecology. Upon entering, we find ourselves in the triage area, where patients are greeted and vital signs are taken. Here is our friendly reception area staff. Once the patient is initially seen, they are led through the residence triage area where the central monitoring is done. The patient then enters the examination room where fetal monitoring, if needed, is done, as well as physical examination. From the examination room, if the patient is for admission, they are brought to the high-risk observation room if needed, or the various labor rooms. Each of the private labor rooms has a companion's chair plus television. The delivery room is well lit and spacious with high ceilings. The first room to the right is the interview room. There are comfortable sofas, and we see memorabilia belonging to Dr. Constantino Manahan, who was one of the co-founders and was the first medical director of the Makati Medical Center. Going further down the corridor, the first room on the left is birthing room 1. The room rivals a hotel room and is a very comfortable space where a patient can go into labor and deliver. This also serves as a recovery room after delivery. The room has its own toilet and shower. There is also a very nice view of Makati from the large windows. Going farther down the corridor, the next room is birthing room 2. This is the antechamber where companions such as a doula or photographer can rest to give the couple privacy. When we enter, we see the water delivery tub. We do our water immersion deliveries here. This room serves as a birthing room but was constructed specifically to cater to water births. This is the best water birth facility in the country. Water immersion delivery patients are given priority to this room. The tub is large enough to maintain the correct water temperature for water birth. This enables the couple to have their own water birth delivery in clean, comfortable surroundings, and at the same time gives them the highest level of safety since it is inside the delivery room. The monitoring can be viewed remotely at the central monitoring area. There are 5 operating delivery rooms. The delivery rooms are large, ultra-modern, well-lit, completely equipped, and staffed by well-motivated and excellent personnel. Should a COVID or infectious disease case be present, we have the negative pressure operating room. Patients after delivery are sent to the recovery room to be cared for and monitored. The ultrasound section has the most modern and clear ultrasound machines. There is a large screen where the patient can watch the ongoing ultrasound. Once the ultrasound is done, the printed report is ready in 10 to 15 minutes. But a really distinctive characteristic of Dr. CP was his kindness and compassionate care for his patients and people in general. Dr. Constantino V. Manahan can arguably be considered the greatest of all time in the field of obstetrics and gynecology in the Philippines. His brand of medicine lives on through the physicians and staff at the Makati Medical Center, who to this day continue to provide excellent, kind, and compassionate care to their patients.